So now we're about to finish the patio, and in the front we'll have to put some blue stones. You can buy those, but I bought 2 extra tiles and I'm going to cut them. So we'll cut them on lengths of 8 centimeters. I think that would be good. And then I'll place them along the side. So I bought actually 2 extra tiles to do this. And that's a lot cheaper than buying the individual pieces. So let's start cutting. So first we'll cut the tile in half because otherwise it's too wide to cut it. So that's one, and now we'll do the rest. It's a pretty clean cut, which is good. So they look good. They're all cut to length, and now we can actually fit them in the ground on the edge, and that will be look mighty good. And by the way, the sound you hear, that's not me peeing. It's just the water running out of the bath. So I made a little slit here, and I will put the pieces in, and before we do so I will put some stabilized sand in. All right, and then just fill it up. And that's how easy it is. All what's left is the little joints, and that's what we'll do now. I don't need too much, so that's why I do it with a little bit. And we're gonna make it sufficient dry. Those are really bloody heavy to move around, and luckily I have an old forklift that can drag it for me, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to do. And now it's time to clean it all up. Oh, I'm all done, and finally I can relax in the sun. So I have a bit more work to be done on the courtyard, but that's for tomorrow, and right now I'm more than happy with what I've done in 3 days' time. So folks, thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. 3.5 days of work. Skull. Ah, this is good.